In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect N8n to HubSpot. First things first, make sure you're logged into your HubSpot account. This is essential as we'll be navigating through different sections of the platform, and you'll need to have full access to do this successfully. Once you're on your HubSpot dashboard, you'll want to navigate to the trial guide. This is a valuable section where you can find all the resources necessary to kickstart your form building process. Spend a moment familiarizing yourself with the trial guide as it contains important information and best practices that can be helpful later on. Now, from the home page of your HubSpot account, let's move towards the marketplace. Take a look at the top menu and click on Marketplace. This section is essentially a hub where you can find various apps and integrations that can be connected to your HubSpot environment to extend its capabilities. Next, once you're in the HubSpot marketplace, direct your attention to the search bar. Here, you'll want to enter N8n. Now, for a bit of context, N8n is an open source automation platform. It's a fascinating tool that acts like a visual builder, allowing you to connect various apps and services using something called nodes. Essentially, each node represents a step in your workflow. For instance, a node could be getting data from HubSpot, sending a message through Slack, or adding information into Google Sheets. The beauty of N8n is in its ability to let you create complex automations without the need to write a single line of code, making it incredibly user-friendly and powerful. Returning to our task, after you've entered N8n into the search bar, you'll see it pop up in the results. Click on it to proceed. This will bring you to the N8n integration page, where you should see an install option prominently displayed. Go ahead and click Install. This will initiate the installation process. As you move forward, follow the prompts that appear on your screen. These will guide you through the necessary steps to complete the installation and integration process. Typically, it's a straightforward process designed to be hassle-free. Just take it one step at a time, confirming each action as you go. There you have it. With these steps, you should now have N8n connected to your HubSpot account, ready to enable you to automate and streamline your workflows like never before. Embrace the power of automation and explore the various possibilities that N8n offers. You've now expanded HubSpot's capabilities, making your work life a bit more efficient, and maybe even a little more exciting too. Whether you're managing data, streamlining communications, or integrating external services, N8n can be a great tool in your digital toolkit. Enjoy exploring all that you can achieve with this integration.